Okay, I'm here with Coach Tiffany. Cheer background. Been at it for a while?
I have actually. I cheered through middle school and high school in Kentucky, and then did a little bit of All-Star, but in the area I was in, there wasn't a huge All-Star program. So then I actually started cheering at Austin Peay when I came to school, and cheered there for 4 years under Darius Lindsay. And that's actually kind of how I got to know my husband, Shandy. He came in a little bit, judged my tryout at the time, and years later we ended up dating.
Love at first sight, right?
Yes, absolutely.
That's awesome. Now you got a great gym here. Like I said, I've been here for a little while, and seem like you got great kids, you got great coaches.
Absolutely.
What's unique about your personnel here? Whether it be your coaches, your kids, your staff, or what do you got here?
The biggest thing I would have to say about our gym is we're homegrown. Our staff starts with us in middle school, high school, and they actually typically go to Austin Peay and cheer for us at Austin Peay and then become our coaches. So we kind of molded them into the people that we need in our program, and so then they really truly give back as mentors for our younger kids because they know what it takes to get to that point.
Wow, that's great. Now Clarksville, it's kind of a unique area in general.
Absolutely.
Kind of elaborate on that a little bit.
Clarksville's a military town. Fort Campbell is right next to us. So, one, we have a very transient community, and then two, we're very diverse. So if you look at our gym, we have a ton of different backgrounds, whether it's religious, ethnic, socioeconomic statuses. We're kind of all over the place, and so it brings a great dynamic to the gym itself. And then the drawback would be that we have a lot of turnover. Some of our students, we start growing them, we love them, and then they leave because they PCS to another post. But then we have other students come in and we get the opportunity to meet with them too. I would have to say that my staff has been wonderful dealing with that problem. We've actually had several students that have lived with us over the years because mom and dad are both military and they PCS at the same time, and Shandy and I have taken custody over a couple of our kids just to kind of give them some stability, because a lot of times that's all they have when daddy deploys, and they might have to change schools. We give them the opportunity to stay in a gym and stay what's home for them, and we kind of mentor them until mom and dad get a chance to come back home.
That's got to be pretty fulfilling.
It is. We've actually had at least 2 military students stay with us for long periods of time, one through her almost whole high school career. So we went through the teenage years with her, and the troublesome craziness of the cheer world with her, and it was very different from a gym owner perspective and a cheer coach perspective to now almost being a mom. It was a totally different world for me. It was an adjustment, but I loved it.
That's great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.